What's the meaning of bearskin? Bearskin. Bearskin.
Bearskin. Bearskin. Bearskin can refer to a few different things depending on the context. It can refer to the pelt of a bear that is used for clothing or decoration, particularly in traditional military uniforms. It can also refer to a type of hat made from a bear's skin, which was once worn by soldiers as part of their ceremonial dress. In addition, bearskin can be used metaphorically to describe a difficult or onerous task, as in the expression carrying the bearskin, which means dealing with a problem or responsibility that others are unwilling or unable to handle.